Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to use DialMyCalls to build contact lists with our opt-in forms. Our opt-in forms make it easy for you to collect contacts to then send automated calls and text messages to using our platform. To get started, log into your DialMyCalls account and then click on Audience Growth and Opt-in Forms. Click on Create Opt-in Form to start making a new opt-in form to collect contacts into your DialMyCalls account. Name your form, which is going to be what is displayed when users see it, either on your website or on our hosted link. You do have the option to give contacts the ability to unsubscribe from your notifications using the same form they signed up with. Under Group Selection, choose Automatic and then select the contact group in your DialMyCalls account that all of these opt-ins will be added to. You can also create a new group if you choose to do so. Now you will want to type out a confirmation message that contacts will receive when they use your opt-in form. Next up, we will add the fields to your opt-in form. Phone is a required field, and you have the ability to add first name, last name, and email. We recommend adding the first name and last name fields and making those required, as this will help keep your opt-ins organized. The compliance section is set up by default, and we recommend leaving this as is. For the notifications tab, you can receive an alert via email, text message, or push notification whenever someone opts into your notifications using your form. As for the installation of your new opt-in form, DialMyCalls has two different methods you can choose from. The first method is to use our hosted page for your form. You would simply send out the link to the form to those that you want to opt in. The second method allows you to embed the opt-in form directly into your website. This method will let visitors new and old of your website easily opt in to receive alerts from you. Once you have gathered opt-ins using your new form, you can now send those contacts a text message using your DialMyCalls account. From the dashboard, click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. Select Text Message, and then on the Contact step, go to Groups and select the SMS opt-ins group for the form you created. Select your verified texting number and then type out the text message you want to send to your opted-in contacts. Click Next and then select whether you want to send the message immediately or at a later date and time, and click Next. Review your message, and if everything looks good, click on Confirm and Send to send it to all of your opted-in contacts. It really is that simple. That concludes our video on how to create and use opt-in forms on DialMyCalls to gather contacts and then send messages using our mass notification platform. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.